In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WhatsApp to Google Photos. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. You will see the home screen with your chat list. This is where all your conversations are visible. It's important to ensure you are on the main screen before proceeding. The WhatsApp app is where you manage your chats, so having it open is essential for the next steps. If you have not used WhatsApp recently, it might take a moment to load all your messages. This step is foundational because it sets the stage for adjusting your media settings. Once you have WhatsApp open, navigate to the Settings menu. You can find this by tapping on the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Adjusting these settings will help you manage how your media is stored and shared. It's crucial to get this part right to ensure your photos and videos are saved correctly. Next, go to the Chat section within the settings. Here you will find options related to your chat experience, including media visibility. This setting is important because it determines whether new photos and videos from your conversations will be saved to your device. Tap on Chats, and you will see several options. This step is vital as it allows you to control how your media is handled moving forward. Turn on Media Visibility. You'll see a toggle switch next to this option. By enabling this feature, any new photos and videos you receive in WhatsApp will automatically be saved to your device. This ensures that your important memories are not lost. Once you toggle this setting on, you should notice a confirmation that the setting has been saved. This little adjustment saves you the hassle of manually saving each media file later. After that, open the Google Photos app on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store. The Google Photos app is your go-to place for organizing and backing up photos and videos. It provides a user-friendly interface where you can easily find and manage your media files. Opening the app is essential because this is where the backup process to Google Photos will take place. Now tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the Google Photos app. A menu will appear, and from there select Photo Settings. These settings allow you to configure how your photos and videos are backed up. It's important to navigate to this area to ensure that your WhatsApp media is included in the backup process. Once you reach this section, you'll be able to set specific preferences for your backups. Next, tap on the Backup option. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust the backup settings for your device. It's crucial at this point to ensure you are backing up the right folders. The Backup option will allow you to choose what content is stored in Google Photos. This step is significant as it determines what media will be preserved in your Google account. Then tap on Backup Device Folders. You will see a list of folders that Google Photos can back up. Look for the WhatsApp Images and WhatsApp Video folders. Enabling these will ensure that all your WhatsApp media is backed up automatically. This is a vital step because it means you won't have to worry about losing any important photos or videos sent through WhatsApp. Finally, turn on WhatsApp Images and WhatsApp Video. By doing this, you are instructing Google Photos to include these specific folders in the backup process. This ensures that any new WhatsApp photos and videos will now be backed up to Google Photos automatically. You can relax knowing that your precious memories are safe in the cloud. If you only want to back up your WhatsApp chats and media, remember to use WhatsApp's built-in chat backup feature instead. This is done through WhatsApp Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. This stores your WhatsApp data in Google Drive or iCloud, not in Google Photos. This distinction is essential when considering how best to protect your content. Now you are set to enjoy a seamless backup experience for your WhatsApp media.